Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever wondered, why is it that after a full night's rest, you wake up and your vision feels even blurrier, drier, and more strained than before you went to bed? Now, many people will tell you, oh, it's just a normal part of getting older. But here is the truth, your eyes are actually going through a silent battle for survival every single night while you sleep. Today, I'm going to share something very special with you. It's not just a list of the golden fruits for your eyesight. No. We're going deeper. I'm going to reveal the hidden secrets of your ocular circadian rhythm and the powerful liver-eye axis, essential keys to help you renew your vision. Literally, while you dream. Thank you for being here with me. I've spent over 30 years in hospitals across the United States, caring for the eyes of thousands of patients. I know exactly how it feels. You wake up, and the world is a little out of focus. Your eyes feel gritty, like there's sand under the lids. And we often tell ourselves, well, I guess I'm just getting older. But today, I want to give you a different perspective. It's something your eye doctor might not have had the time to explain during a busy office visit. Now, you might be asking, why the night, doctor? Why is the night so important? Why not the morning, when we're full of energy? The truth is, your eyes don't actually go to sleep when you do. In fact, your retina, that delicate tissue at the back of your eye that helps you see your grandchildren's faces or a beautiful sunset, it has its own internal clock. In the medical world, we call this the ocular circadian rhythm. Imagine your eyes are like a very busy house. All day long, you're using them to read, to watch TV, to look at your phone, or to drive under the bright sun of California or through a cold New York winter. All that activity, it leaves behind trash. We're talking about cellular debris and harmful free radicals that build up over hours of use. And at night, when darkness falls, that is when the janitorial crew inside your eyes starts their shift. There is a miraculous process called autophagy. Think of it as a self-cleaning mode. This is when your eye cells literally eat the old, damaged parts to make room for healthy, new ones. This is your golden window for vision repair. But here is the problem, my friends. As we cross into our 60s and 70s, this cleaning crew starts to slow down. Sometimes, they simply don't have the tools or the raw materials they need to do a good job. If you've had too much sugar that evening, or if your body is missing key nutrients, a process called glycation begins to take over. I want you to visualize this. It's like sugar sticking to the proteins in your eyes, making the lenses, which should be crystal clear, start to turn cloudy, like a window covered in thick fog. This is how cataracts begin. At the same time, we have oxidative stress. Imagine it like rust, silently eating away at your optic nerve cells. These enemies don't attack all at once with pain. No. They are much quieter. They steal your light, bit by bit, while you are fast asleep. Now, I don't tell you this to worry you. Not at all. I tell you this because I want you to understand how to resupply your eyes at the perfect moment. If we know how to give our bodies the exact ingredients our eyes are starving for right before bed, we can turn a simple night's sleep into a powerful vision healing therapy. We don't always need expensive medications or invasive surgeries when nature has already provided a way to help. So, what are these natural rescue teams? Which fruits carry the exact weapons needed to protect your retina? Let me tell you all about them, right now. Thank you for staying with me. Now that we understand what happens inside our eyes at night, let's talk about the solution. Over my 30 years of practice, I have always believed that your kitchen is the best pharmacy, if you know how to use it. Today, I brought two saviors that I'm sure most of you already have in your refrigerator right here in America. But the truth is, you might not be using them the right way to protect your sight. First, let's look at this papaya. Why do I put this at the top of my list? Well, remember that enemy I mentioned earlier? Glycation, where sugar sticks to your proteins and clouds your vision. It has one major weakness, an enzyme called papain. Think of papain as a dedicated cleaning crew for your eyes. It helps break down those extra protein deposits, keeping your lenses as clear as crystal. But, my friends, here is the secret that most people miss: do not eat papaya alone. I always tell my patients sprinkle a few chia seeds on top. Why? Because at our age, our digestion and blood sugar can be a bit sensitive. The rich fiber in chia seeds helps the natural sugar in the papaya enter your bloodstream slowly and gently. It prevents that sugar spike right before bed, which, as I told you, is the #1 reason eye repair stops. This is what I call a nutrient synergy matrix. And one more thing, keep your papaya at room temperature. Don't eat it cold. Cold temperatures can make those precious enzymes fall asleep, and we want them awake and working for you. Now, let's talk about these tiny black diamonds, wild blueberries. When you go to stores like Whole Foods or Costco, you usually see big, juicy blueberries. But I want you to look for the ones labeled wild, usually found in the frozen section. Why am I so picky about wild blueberries? It's because they contain a very rare and powerful compound called pterostilbene. You see, our eyes have a very strict security system called the blood-retinal barrier. It's like a security gate that only allows the most elite nutrients to enter. Most common antioxidants are blocked at the gate. But pterostilbene in wild blueberries, it has a special pass. It goes right through that barrier, reaching the light-sensitive cells that have been damaged by blue light or UV rays all day long. And it begins to repair their DNA. But there is one thing I must warn you about: never eat your blueberries with milk or yogurt right before bed. I know, we Americans love to mix fruit with yogurt. But the protein in dairy will actually bind to those antioxidants and trap them. You'll end up wasting this incredible gift. Instead, enjoy them as a pure dessert about 45 minutes before you go to sleep. Give those nutrients enough time to cross the gate and protect your eyes all through the night. Seeing your eyes light up as you hear this makes me so happy. But our story doesn't end here. We still have other heroes related to your liver health and blood circulation waiting to help you. Are you ready to discover more? My friends, after we've sent in our cleaning crews from papaya and blueberries, we need to talk about an equally important logistics system: oxygen supply and internal purification. Over 30 years of practice, I've realized something that modern medicine sometimes forgets to explain to patients: your eyes do not stand alone. They are deeply connected to another powerhouse organ in your body, the liver. In Eastern traditions, there is a saying, the liver opens into the eyes. And here in the United States, we look at this through the lens of science as the liver-eye axis. Why is this so important? I want you to imagine this: between 1 o'clock a.m. and 3 o'clock a.m., while you are in deep sleep, your liver is working at its highest capacity to filter toxins and clean your blood. If your liver is healthy and your blood is clean and rich in nutrients, then when it reaches those tiny, microscopic vessels in your retina, it brings life. But if the liver is overworked, your eyes pay the price. They become red, cloudy, and exhausted by morning. This is where I want to introduce a powerful friend from far away: black currants. These berries contain a concentration of anthocyanins, a super antioxidant, that is many times higher than common fruits. When you have a small serving of black currants in the evening, these compounds don't just protect your eyes. They support your liver in its purification mission. It reduces inflammation in the retinal microvessels and, most importantly, improves your night adaptation. If you struggle when moving from a bright room to a dark one, black currants are the silent savior that helps your eyes adjust smoothly. But clean blood is only half the battle. We need oxygen. When you sleep, your eyes need twice as much oxygen to perform their cellular repair. And this is the secret of the red dragon fruit. Please note, it must be the deep red variety. That vibrant color comes from betalains, compounds that help your body produce nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a key that unlocks and widens the highways and side streets of your circulatory system. When your blood vessels relax and open up, oxygen and nutrients are pumped steadily to every light-sensitive cell in your retina. This explains why many of my patients, after having red dragon fruit in the evening, tell me, "Doctor, I woke up this morning and felt like the world had been polished. Everything is sharper and full of color." And here is a small tip when eating dragon fruit: do not just swallow those tiny black seeds. Chew them. Inside those little seeds is a wonderful source of omega-3 and magnesium that calms your optic nerves, helping you reach that deep sleep state where all this healing happens. You see, caring for your eyes is not just about drops or glasses. It's about understanding how your blood flows, how your liver works, and how we accept these gifts from nature. But my friends, we still have one final king to discuss, the protector of your central vision, and the golden rules to make sure you absorb every bit of this goodness. Are you ready for the final piece of the puzzle? Now, my friends, we have traveled quite a journey, from understanding your eye's internal clock to purifying the liver to save your sight. But I've saved the true king for this final moment. If you were to ask me, "Dr. Thora, what is the single most important nutrient to keep me from losing my vision as I get older?" My answer, without a doubt, would be zeaxanthin. And there is no place on this planet where you will find it more abundantly than in these tiny, bright goji berries. You see, the macula, the center of your retina, is what allows you to read small print or recognize the faces of your loved ones. Over time, this macula is worn down by light and age. Goji berries are the strongest shield we have to stop that macular degeneration. But here, I want to teach you a medical technique we call nutrient synergy. Goji berries contain zeaxanthin, which is a fat-soluble vitamin. If you eat goji berries alone, your body will have a very hard time absorbing them. But if you eat them with just 2 walnuts, something miraculous happens. The omega-3s and healthy fats in those walnuts act like a delivery truck, carrying all that zeaxanthin directly into the center of your macula. This is how we maximize the value of our food. And a small tip, soak your goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes before eating to soften them, making it much easier for our mature digestive systems to absorb every bit. Finally, to make sure everything I've shared today doesn't go to waste, you must remember these 5 golden rules. These are the rules of thumb I've gathered over 30 years of treating patients right here in America. First, the calcium distance rule. If you drink a glass of milk or eat yogurt in the evening, wait at least 90 minutes before eating your eye-healthy fruit. Calcium is a nutrient thief. It will lock onto those antioxidants and carry them right out of your body before they can help your eyes. Second, the room temperature rule. Do not eat your fruit straight from the refrigerator. Your eyes and your digestion need warmth. Room temperature allows enzymes, like papain and papaya, to be at their strongest. Third, the wash gently rule. Berries are delicate. Do not scrub them under a heavy stream of water. Most of the magic is found right near that thin, sensitive skin. Fourth, the golden window rule: eat your fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Not too close to sleep, or your body will be busy digesting instead of repairing. And not too early, or the nutrients will be gone before your eyes enter their deepest healing cycle. And finally, eat with a sincere heart. Enjoy your small plate of fruit in peace. No phones, no TV. When your mind is calm, your optic nerves are open to receive the healing. My dear friends, the journey to preserving your light is not a race, it is a gentle, daily commitment. I hope that, starting tonight, that small plate of fruit on your table becomes more than just a snack, but a promise for a brighter, clearer future. I look forward to hearing about the changes in your vision in the comments below. Share this video with your friends, because light is a priceless gift that we all deserve to keep. Thank you for listening to this old doctor. Sleep well tonight, and may you wake up tomorrow morning with eyes that see the world anew.